Hi, this is Ken Lau. I want to share with you what is the calculate in Power BI. This is a fundamental uh, DAX function, right? And then this is called calculate. So the calculate says that it evaluates an expression in a modified filter context. But what does that mean, right? For example, you have a sales table and there you create a measure and you want a sales amount, and then the but not only the sales amount is all that sales that the product color is blue. So that is a measure. So what does it really mean, right? Is that let's go here. Another example is that I have a total sales for all the years, all the selected years. So let's say here, this is the total sales for that in the slicer itself is 2007. So this is the represented 2007. But notice that this blue, dark blue column, now it's 3.3 million, right? As I change it to the dark blue columns is actually represents sales in 2005. Now, if I change to 2006, does the dark blue color change? Let's see. No, it doesn't. But the light blue change. See, that is the effect of having a calculated with applying the filter area. Okay, so now what what is that measure like looks like? So let's take a look. The total sales is like here. You basically sum aggregate all the sales amount and using the sum DAX function, and then you get a total sales. Now you can write a second uh, DAX measure by going to this here using the calculate and calling the earlier DAX measure the yeah total sales measure, and then you apply a filter 2005. So you basically tells that Power BI that looks right for this measure, the total sales will always return all the sales in the year 2005, right? I don't care whether the filter is 2006, 2007, 2008, I don't care. Just give me 2005. That is what it means, right? So it really ignore the column or the year which is equal to 2005, right? Sorry, uh, it will just unfilter everything in the year 2005 and then apply the filter 2005 if it's happened in the column or the year. Now watch this. Now if I 2005, right, everything is the same, and then or maybe here, right? Now look at that. Now here I apply the year, so therefore that the filters for this dark blue remain at 2005. But now if I click on a product code 30310, now notice that it does respond, right? The dark blue does respond to this second filter, a second slicer. Why? That's because that the DAX that you just seen here only override the older year column. So it will unfilter the year 2005, but and then apply, sorry. I unfilter the year 2005 and then apply back the filter for just to choose 2005. Always 2005 on the year. But it doesn't say is that it must be for that particular product. So therefore, if there is a other filter applied to the measure, it will respond to it. So let's say that's why you can see that there is no value. Yeah, you can see that it's 2, 3. Yeah. So calculate is important And if you are learning for the first time, calculate is a very difficult DEX measure, DEX function. So it's okay, spend some time to really understand this. Maybe you watch this video again, and also uh, write your own calculate measure, right? Just follow this, rewrite again. So it's by doing you gain understanding. It's the same applies to me. Thank you. God bless you. God bless Asia. Stay safe. I'm recording this while having COVID-19. Stay safe.